Today we are going to be installing a Swidget wall switch in a single pole configuration. This will work for lights and fans that are controlled by a single light switch. Please follow the installation instructions that were provided with your Swidget switch. If you are not sure about any part of these instructions, please consult an electrician. The following tools are required for this installation: a handheld voltage tester, pliers, a Phillips screwdriver, a slotted screwdriver, and a Robertson screwdriver. As you can see, I have already removed the wall plate from the old switch. Before going any further, turn off the power at the breaker panel. We're now ready to remove the old switch. Remove the mounting bracket screws and pull the switch out of the wall so that the wires are accessible. Turn the power back on at the breaker panel, and with the switch in the off position, use the voltage tester to determine which is the live wire. Mark this wire with electrical tape. Often the live wire is black and the switch power is red, but that is not always the case. If your wires are different, be sure to contact an electrician. Turn the power back off at the breaker panel. It is a good idea to take a picture of the original setup in case you have any issues. Remove the wires from the terminal screws and pull out all wires, including the white neutral wires. Let's install the Swidget switch. Use the provided wire nuts to connect the black wire from the device to the black wire you marked with the electrical tape. Connect the device red wire to the red wire in the wall box, and do the same for the white neutral wires. Lastly, make sure to connect the electrical box ground wire to the green grounding screw on the switch. Be sure to follow the provided wiring diagram. Since we won't be using it in a single pole configuration, cap the blue device wire. Insert all wires and wire nuts and gently press the switch until it is evenly seated in the device box. Screw in the mounting screws until the switch is flush with the wall. You can add a cover plate of your choice to finish the installation. Be sure to turn your power back on at the breaker panel when you are done. Check out our other videos on how to install and set up your first Swidget insert and much more. Thanks for watching.